Hello everyone, I'm Bazia.
And I'm Tahi.
And today we made a presentation about mountains and some of the famous mountains in Kurdistan.
So, in this slide it says what is a mountain. Mountain is a raised portion of the Earth's crust, which is usually very cold and windy, and the top of the mountain is called peak. And also we have an example, which is Everest mountain, which is the highest mountain in the earth, and it's located in Nepal, and the elevation is 8,849 meters.
Okay, so in this slide I'll be telling you about some famous mountains in our beautiful country, Kurdistan. Number 1, Korak Mountain, Halgut Mountain, Hazarmev Mountain, Kandil Mountain, Goja Mountain, and we have many more in our beautiful space. And today we chose a very popular mountain in our country, which is Korak Mountain. As I talked about, we will talk about Korak Mountain. So it's a mountain located in Erbil of the Kurdistan region. It is 50 kilometers away from the Iranian border.
And it's also 19 kilometers away from Erbil, and the elevation is 2,177 meters.
Okay, so about Korak Mountain, it's a tourist attraction mountain, and this is because of the high teleferic which was made by Ahmed Hassan al-Bakr Amri in 1973. And in the early 80s, about 400 people were leaders for making 3 telescopes. So in the top of the Korak Mountain, we have 3 telescopes, and these 3 telescopes, they're like from Erbil because they're on top of the Korak Mountain.
And also, Korak Mountain in winter is the first choice for tourists to visit there because of the amount of snow in there. And also, in summer it has a cool weather, and that's why people around Kurdistan visit it. Thanks for watching, and anyone have any question?